Hey, what's up guys, it is Technology Hell back here. Welcome back to another video, and in my today's video I'm going to show you that how can you install two operating systems on your PC. This is often known as dual boot because while turning on your system you will get an option whether to boot from the first OS or the second OS. This is really useful when you need to work with two different operating systems on the same desktop computer or a laptop computer. But in case you need to work with Windows and Android at the same time on your PC, you can use dual boot. The same can work with many other combinations such as Linux and Windows, Mac and Kali Linux or anything like that. So you can install two operating systems on your PC which will run seamlessly. So in this video I'll be showing you how can you do that. So without wasting much time, let's begin. So for dual boot you need to have at least one hard drive in your system, which you definitely have with an operating system installed, which will be your primary OS, and then you need to make an installation media for the secondary OS which you are going to install. Your secondary OS can be Windows, Android, Linux, Mac or anything which you are comfortable with. So in my case I'll be installing this Windows 10 ROG edition as my secondary OS. So to make a bootable media you definitely need a USB drive, at least 8 GB in size. I'm using the 32 GB variant. And then you need a software. The easiest one and the simple one to use is Win2Bootic. Download links are down in the description. Once you download this application, simply right click and run it as an administrator. When the software interface comes up on your screen, simply select your USB drive. On the section drop source or click, just browse for your ISO file of the operating system which you are going to install. Give a check mark to quick format and just click do it. In this way your pen drive will be turned into a bootable version of the operating system which you have chosen. It can be any edition of Windows, Android or anything like that. So that's all you need to do and your bootable USB is ready. You can just go and check the content of the USB. You'll find the Windows installation files have been flashed and it will work as same as a Windows DVD. Now you need to create a new partition on your system drive to install the second edition of Windows. To do that, simply right click on this PC and just click manage. Your management window will pop up over there on the left hand side. Just go to the section disk management. Within a few seconds your disk will be loaded up and there you will find all the list of disks that are connected to your system. In my case, disk 0 is the SSD which has the current Windows installed, and disk 1 is the hard drive where I am going to install the second edition of Windows. Don't worry, you can do this if you have only one disk on your system. For that you will have to make two partitions on the same drive. Like I have one partition on disk 0, I'll make the other on disk 1. Let me just show you how can you do that. I'll be getting out some space around 100 GB from my drive D because it has quite much of space left in it. So just right click on your drive and choose shrink volume. I'll be taking out around 100 GB, so I'll just go for 12400. So it's 100 GB in size. I have removed 100 GB from drive D. Now I have 100 GB unallocated space. So I'll just create a new simple volume out of it and the name could be drive H second OS and just finish. With this, our new drive partition has been created where we can install the second edition of our Windows. So the second OS partition is ready. You can do this same thing even if you have one hard drive on your system. It will work exactly the same. Once you have created a new partition, you just need to restart, switching to your bootable USB and starting with the Windows installation. Let me just show you what to do next. So the next processes will be demonstrated through my view of camera. So now I'll just restart the system. I need to boot up with the USB drive. So you can see my BIOS logo at the bottom. F12 is the key for boot menu. So I'll just press F12 and then simply choose my USB drive to boot from. Then within a few seconds it will start loading the Windows files as I have made a Windows bootable USB and load it up and start the Windows installation wizard. So here the setup has started and straight away it is asking me to select which partition of the drive do I want to install the Windows. So we have created a new partition which is this second OS. So I'll just select that drive partition and simply click next. And there the installation of Windows has started and it will be done in about 20 to 30 minutes. Sometimes the installation of Windows takes quite long as compared to what it should. Don't panic, it's normal. So my installation of the second edition of Windows, the Windows 10 ROG edition, has been done successfully. The system has booted up and everything is going fine. So now I'll just restart my system and show you that how can you switch your editions of Windows from the dual boot menu. It is actually quite simple. As soon as you will power on your PC, your default OS, which is the primary operating system, will boot up. It is my primary Windows 10 edition, the original OEM version. So it's booting up from the normal Windows 10, and then it will give you options asking which operating system do you want to boot with. It also mentions which partition of the drive has the OS been installed so that you don't get confused among selecting the right one. Whichever you want to boot with, just click on it and that's it. Within the next 5 to 10 seconds it will boot up and you are ready to go. So that's all for this video, my demonstration of converting your system to dual boot and installing two different operating systems on your same system. How can it be done? And if you are facing any issues or problems regarding this, make sure to write down in the comments. I'll reply you back very soon. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe as we keep coming up with such videos every week. Thanks for watching.